Hello, my name is Harold Todd Russian, and I'm a candidate for the principal program at the University of the Cumberlands. This is my 16th year of teaching. First 3 years I was a math teacher and football coach at Ballard County Middle. Second 3 years I was football coach and math teacher at Lone Oak Middle, and I spent the last 10 years at Paducah Middle School as the academic team coach, math teacher, and currently I am the gifted and talented resource teacher.
What talents, skills, and abilities do you possess that you believe are important to be an effective administrator?
Have the ability to manage multiple projects and tasks at the same time. Currently being the academic team coach, a site-based council member, a Paducah Education Association building representative, and teacher, I'll have to learn how to juggle many things at the same time. I'm an effective communicator. I know how to work well with my administration, my fellow teachers, students, and parents. I am an innovative problem solver. I've recently been given the task of teaching a computer coding class. I'm able to work with that in many different ways, other ways than I wouldn't normally use in the classroom. And I'm an advocate for all staff, faculty, and students. Again, being a Paducah Education Association building rep, that allows me to be the voice for those who can't speak.
How do you see yourself as a dispositional fit for school/system leadership? Give a rationale for your answer.
While not having a strong administrative background, I can reflect on my past experiences as a teacher and coach and feel that I had led others to follow my vision. Having a strong positive vision is paramount. Not only is it important to believe in the vision yourself, but to inspire others to buy into your vision as well. Being genuine, passionate, supportive, and trustworthy are key characteristics to motivate others to follow the vision.
What is your vision of a school for 21st century learners?
One that includes project-based learning. Students today are not like they were in the past. You cannot sit them in a row of desks and expect them to listen to everything that you say. You have to give them something to do. You have to allow them to use their hands and their imagination. One where students can learn critical problem-solving skills. That's one thing that is lacking in today's society, is to be able to think for yourself. With the computer coding class that I teach, that's one key component of the class, is to be able to think for yourself and solve problems that you normally wouldn't do. Also one where students are in charge of their learning, meaning student-centered, anything but lecturing or teacher-centered. If students are in charge of their own learning, I feel that they have more of an understanding and a passion to want to learn.
Discuss the role of the educational administrator as school/system manager and instructional leader.
The school building administrator needs to know the vision of the school district and be able to implement it into his or her school. The vision for Paducah Public Schools is to know each student by name and need. Having this information in your pocket as the administrator, not only as an educator, is very beneficial to the running of your school. You need to be able to create a climate that is conducive to learning. If students don't want to be there and teachers don't want to be there, you have an empty building. The climate is key to productive education. They must be able to manage all other faculty and staff effectively. They also need to be able to process data. Our school is very data driven, so therefore all of our administrators are well versed on how to interpret and assess data. They must also be a change agent. They must be willing to take the hands of all their employees and move them along to the change that is coming in the world of education.
In your planned program, what would be a critical need that you would have in order to prepare you in becoming a successful administrator?
A valuable leadership vision that I have is one of humility, for the simple fact that you have to be humble because you were chosen or elected by a council or a superintendent to run and be in charge of the school. One of passion. You must love what you do, love who you work with, love who you work for, and know exactly why you do the job that you do. Commitment. You have to be committed to the school. You have to be committed to the teachers, to the faculty, to the staff, and to the students. You have to want to be there. You have to give them 100% of who you are as the administrator. And confidence. You must be confident in what you do, what you say, and how you lead. If you lack confidence, you lack following of teachers and students. Thank you.